In order to enable flash notifications on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you need to open the settings. Then in the settings, you want to scroll all the way down, and over here you want to choose accessibility. Then go to advanced settings, and you should be able to find flash notification. If you go over here, you should be able to either enable camera flash notification or screen flash notification. Of course, you can use both at the same time as well. You can also choose which apps should be used for camera flash notification, because you can decide in which apps it works. And if you choose screen flash notification, then you can choose the color. On the right side over here, you will have yellow color by default. If you tap on it, then you can choose a different color. You can also press preview in order to find out how it looks like. And once you are done, you can simply press done. You can also enable it for all apps or also for selected apps only. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we have also preview button over here if needed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!